Have you ever noticed how some strawberries taste great and some are really lacking in flavor? So today I'd like to share with you how to create the best flavor in any strawberry variety. So there's three things that create flavor in a strawberry plant. It's nutrition, vine ripening, and the variety. So let's start with the first one, which is plant nutrition. So a strawberry plant needs a lot of nutrients to produce the fruit. And if the plant is lacking in nutrients, this really affects the berry size and the flavor profile. So you can feed your strawberry plants a fertilizer made for tomatoes to get sweeter berries. We feed our plants every 4 weeks, and we feed our strawberry plants a special homemade organic strawberry fertilizer. Now, this homemade organic strawberry fertilizer recipe is a secret weapon when it comes to big sweet berries. So if you'd like to have our recipe, please watch our video, how to make homemade organic strawberry plant fertilizer, and that will help your plants to create big, flavorful berries. So you can find the link for that video in the description below this one or in our strawberry playlist. So I will regularly do a taste test to see if the strawberry plants are getting enough nutrients. So I'll eat the berries, and if the flavor's off, I will feed the plants an extra feeding in between the every 4 weeks that we regularly feed the plants. All right, number 2 is vine ripening. So the plant will put on the final flavor in the berries as they vine ripen. And one of the best ways to improve the flavor of your berries is just to let them ripen on the vine. So my favorite variety is Seascape, and this strawberry is very dark red when it is ripe. And if I pick it on the orange-red side, it will be sour. So I have to do regular taste tests to know if I'm getting the berry to the best flavor. You know, if I could just take one bite out of every berry that we sell, I would know for sure that it was the perfect flavor, right? Yeah, that would be really fun. So before we get to the third garden skill, I would like to let you know about our strawberry ecourse. So in it you can learn all of our strawberry growing secrets for growing big, sweet, organic strawberries, and that you can harvest over an 8-month time period. You know, I love picking and eating strawberries even clear into October. It is so much fun. You can find the ecourse link and a special YouTube viewer coupon for a discount in the description below. Okay, number 3 is variety. With the right nutrients and vine ripening, we can make all strawberry varieties taste great. But just like grapes, there is different varieties can have different flavor profiles. So if you get the proper nutrients to the plants and vine ripen the berries, you can taste the subtle differences in the berry varieties. Then you can grow out several different varieties and then taste test them. I did a taste test with 4 different varieties, and Seascape came up the winner, and it is still my favorite. So if you'd like to learn more of our strawberry secrets and get the organic strawberry fertilizer recipe, you can find them in our Strawberry Success playlist right here.